Okay, so here's what I think you need to do on your machine with it not lining up. What it normally ends up being is when you attach the potentiometer, which is this part right here, is not lined up with the flat spot on the cam. So what I need you to do is take the potentiometer off by removing removing the set screw that's on there, and then I'm going to do it on 14 with 14 lined up over the needle plate. And if it's not lined up with the needle plate, we'll have to work on that in the next video. But we want the one that's closest to the needle plate to be 14. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rotate this knob. This is what I'm doing when you see it move. So I'm going to rotate it one direction. You see how it started to move there? So I'm going to rotate it back till just as it starts to stop. So right there, it's no longer moving. So we're going to take our Sharpie, and we're going to go up to the red knob, and at the very top dead center of that, we're just going to make a little tiny mark. And then we're going to rotate it the other direction, so we're going to try and move the needle the opposite way. See how now it's moving the other way? So we're going to stop it at the same point where it's, all right, it's no longer moving, just as it stops moving, right there. We're going to drop our Sharpie. We're going to go up here and we're going to do the same thing on this. We're going to make a dead center, dead top, dead center. And now what you'll see is we have two marks there. And what we want to do is we want to, in between those two marks, we want that to be straight up. And if you look at your cam here, there should be a set screw that's in there. Now if we rotate it 180 degrees, there's another one right there. So what we want to do now is, with 14 lined up like it is, we should be able to push on the head and it doesn't shift. And now we'll reconnect the potentiometer with it set to needle 14. And I know that this may not be lined up yet, so I'm going to shoot a quick video on how to do that next.